Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Jetta key fob. First, locate the small button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button firmly. This action will release the internal emergency key. Once released, pull the emergency key straight out from the top of the fob. This key is essential for the next step in opening the case. Now that the emergency key is out, look for a small slot. It's usually located near where the key was housed. Take a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin and insert it into this slot. With a gentle but firm motion, twist the tool. This action will carefully pry apart the two halves of your key fob, revealing the internal components. With the fob open, you'll see the battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its type and how it's oriented. Most VW Jetta fobs use a CR2032 battery. Carefully remove the old battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one was. To reassemble, simply align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they click. Then, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it's securely in place. Your key fob should now be fully functional. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.